Welcome to the Bridge Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. The if function is one of the most popular functions in Excel, and it allows you to make logical comparisons between a value and what you expect. In this video, we will show you an example on how to use the if function to better understand your data set. If formulas are normally used to test if statements are true. Remember, if functions always contain more than one argument. Let's say you want the formula to return true if the average GDP per capita between 1990 and 1995 in Albania is over 4,000. Type if and the test to check average over 4,000 in this case. The last two arguments are what you want the cell to display if the condition is met or not. Here, simply put true, false. Please note that in older versions of Excel, simply putting the words true or false without quotations will return an error. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the dataset to practice the functions yourself.